Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? That's good. I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1, and we are learning unit 6. Its title is The Camera. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we'll complete the reading and comprehension of this unit. One part we did yesterday of reading, and today we'll complete the reading. Before this, in English for grade C, you have learnt about transportation and you have discussed about different vehicles. So, on the same concept, likewise, we are going to learn to locate some factual information, provide the missing letter in simple 1 or 2 syllable words. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Yasin, verse 80, "It is He who made for you from the green tree fire, and then from it you ignite." Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us trees. When they are green, we use them for different purpose, and when they are become wood, then we use them for fire. So one thing, Allah has created everything with a purpose, and secondly, one thing can be used in different forms. This is what this beautiful verse is telling us, a scientific way, right? So today we are going to learn for a device, for an instrument we discussed yesterday, and that is camera, okay? So first you tell me, who invented the camera? Yesterday we talked about it. Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you all have answered correctly. Good job. So let's start reading. Yesterday we read this page, first 2 paragraphs. Now from this point, I'm going to start reading. All of you listen carefully, because after me, you will read it. Today, we have a camera in our mobile phones, computers, and laptops, etc. We also use a camera for security purposes. And what does security mean? Free from danger or threat. And what does purpose mean? Something is done for some reason. So have you seen security camera? It is used to protect places so that unauthorized person cannot enter the place, and if they enter, camera captures them. Camera will find out who was the person who came here, right? You can see it's here, you can see in this picture as well. It is an invention that makes our memories last forever. Yes, have you seen your pictures when you were too young, like you were just a crawling baby? So how it was possible? It was possible because of camera, okay? Because it saves our memories. The time which we are passing now, if we capture the pictures after a few years, we can recall it. So that's memories, okay? So this is how a camera works for us. Are you clear? Okay, so pause the video. This is all about our reading. First, you will answer this question. What are some advantages of camera? Means what are the benefits of camera? So pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, read the text again, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for an activity. And what this activity is all about, the text you just have read, I'm going to ask you a question from that text. Okay, we have read the text. Now, what is the question? Why do we use a camera? This is the question. And how we'll find out? The way I told you yesterday, if we want to find out a factual information. And what is fact? Something which is true and we cannot change it. We cannot change and it's true, that is fact. So, how do we find it in text? You will open the page and you will start reading and you will quickly do it to reach to the specific point. So, why do we use camera? That is the first sentence. Here it is. We take pictures and record videos through our camera. This is the fact we extract from this text, right? Are you clear? So, this is the activity. All of you will hold your pencils in your hands and you will find out the facts from this text. So, you will pause the video, find the answers of these questions, write them in your notebook, and along with that you will complete this question in your book. Pause the video, complete this exercise and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So, we have practiced it twice how to find facts. Now, it's time for your homework. You will write one sentence about camera. Okay, you will write just one sentence, a fact about camera. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, you will color the objects which have cameras on them. Okay, you will check out, and the objects which have camera, you will color them. This is your worksheet. So, what we have learned today, we learned to locate some factual information and we learned to provide missing letters in words. So, in this way, we achieved our SLOs to locate some factual information and provide the missing letter in simple 1 or 2 syllable words. Are we done with it? Yes. So, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.